Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and I want to say thank you to Rebecca Martin for commenting on my last video first. And today we're just going to be working on my coffee hutch. I am definitely not done, but I sanded down these boards to put in my coffee hutch because right now I'm using beat board, I think that's what it's called, as a shelf for all my coffee cups, and it looks bad, it's not very strong, so it's like bowing in the middle, and so I know it needs to be changed out soon. My daughter was acting scared of the noise, so I was trying to get her comfortable with it by having her do it. I thought her playing with it would make her happy, but it scared her a little bit, so my husband took over, and then all of a sudden she was comfortable with it. I don't know, but yeah. So I just got the beat board and had my husband measure all the pieces to that board because it was in my coffee hutch as a shelf, so I knew it would be perfect size for all the pieces to be cut to. And I know that's not the saw you're supposed to use to cut wood to make things. My husband already explained that to me, but you work with what you got, and it worked. I just had to sand the edges down, and it was fine. My husband was sitting here wanting to cut all the boards at one time, and I told him that the boards would come out more even if he did one at a time, so he's reluctantly and angrily fussing about having to cut them all separately, but he's doing them. Again, I know not proper safety and workbench, but you work with what you got, and this is what we got, so this is what we did. I'm about to start sanding the edges, and my husband's upset because my son was eating dirt. I don't really see a huge deal with him eating dirt. I mean, it's okay. It'll just build his immune system. But yeah, so he took him in and went inside with my son, and I'm out here with my daughter just sanding the edges down. I wasn't sure which shelf I wanted to go in first, the top or the bottom, because I wasn't even sure if I had enough boards, but I decided the bottom because it has the coffee makers and it's a little heavier, so it would need that extra support first, and then I could have all my teas and stuff out. And this is where I realized that I actually have enough boards to do the top and the bottom, and I'm telling my husband here I might need to take one of the smaller pieces from one of the pallets and do the same thing just so I have a full shelf. But for now it works. It fits everything just fine. But we're actually pulling pallets apart to make a headboard, so we do have the extra pallets already pulled apart. It's just sanding it down again, and then I need to get a sealant and a stain and stain it and seal it. But the sealant I have I actually do not like. I sealed my desk with one and it started pulling the paint apart. Like anytime I'd set something down, it would stick to the paint and pull it and rip. So I didn't like that, and I tried a new sealant that works a million times better, but in the course of like a week it started turning yellow, so now my desk is like a yellow tinge and I hate it. And I also sealed the bottom of this coffee hutch, like where my coffee pot used to sit, and if you look while I'm setting stuff up, it is also tinted like a yellow, and it's gross. About to move all my teas up so I have easier access to them. If you see, I have a child lock on that cabinet, so it makes it really hard for me to get to anything, and then I just end up not using anything down there because I don't want to have to open it up every single time I want a sleepy time tea or a just raspberry tea or whatever. So I think having them in there will be nice. I might end up moving them back down because I think I did that because my daughter was getting into my teas and tearing them all apart for no reason. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.